Alrighty, YouTubers, so I'm just going to quickly show you how to assemble the front coilovers for the 82 to 92 Camaro. This is the Viking Berserker. So first of all, you're going to anti-seize the threads. If you do not use anti-seize, then it will void the warranty. So, or if you don't run the thrust bearing kit, you will also void the warranty. So I went ahead and anti-seized the threads. You're supposed to pull the shock completely up. I'm going to leave that to the end just because it's not necessary. All it does is get in the way. So, like I said, I'm just going to quickly anti-seize each one of these components. So I'm going to start off with this first ring. It is going to have a rib up top that is going to face up. Alright, once you have that one on with the shoulder up, you'll take your secondary one with this large shoulder. This is what the spring is actually going to sit in. Alright, once you've done that, then you can take your first thrust washer, apply it. It's already been coated in anti-seize. Then your thrust bearing, which you will coat with the anti-seize. Then you'll take your last thrust washer, apply that. Then once you've done that, then this is where you're going to go ahead and pull it up. Then you go ahead and apply your spring. Then you'll have this top portion here, built aluminum. Go ahead, set that guy up top. Then you're going to have another bearing kit with smaller bearings, or a smaller bearing and thrust washer. So you're going to do the same thing with these. One washer, then the thrust bearing, then the last washer. And this is going to really free up the friction when making your adjustments of the coilover. And then once you've got that, then you have the smaller one that sits right here on top. And I've already adjusted the bottom to basically match here. So when I put it in the caster camber plate, we can make our adjustments from there. But that's it as far as assembling. And then you have these two sleeves just in case you have fitment issues up into your caster camber plate. So you have a couple different heights here. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you guys would like any further information, anything like that. If you have any questions or comments or concerns. That's just a real quick assembly of the front coilovers for an 82 and 92 Camaro. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. See you guys next time.